So today I want to show you something that has absolutely transformed how I capture my outdoor escapes, from my Jeep Gladiator cruises in upcoming trail rides, to hitting the pavement with my electric skateboard. Forget the bulky cameras, the fiddly setups, and say hello to the BleeqUp Ranger AI Sports camera glasses. Now, these might look like your average cool sports glasses, but they're a lot more. While they're popular with cyclists, I've discovered that they are the ultimate tool for the outdoor enthusiast. Whether you're behind the wheel or on a board or just exploring, capturing your adventures hands-free. These are a 4-in-1 AI sports camera glasses. Think about it, you can get an AI action camera, open your audio, sports goggles, and wind, dust, and UV protection, along with the walkie-talkie, all integrated seamlessly. This means a truly hands-free experience. No more mounting cameras, no more worrying about losing your shot because you might be fumbling with gear. With traditional action cameras, you're constantly adjusting checking angles. With BleeqUp, you can just put them on and go. Your perspective is your camera. It's freedom, pure and simple, allowing you to stay focused on the road, the trail, or even perfecting the curve on the electric skateboard. And here's a bonus for us drivers. Because it's always recording your POV, it doubles as a fantastic safety capture device, essentially a personal dash cam, should you ever need it. And speaking of smooth, let's talk about the EIS-Stabilized POV video. Whether I'm hitting some rough terrain with my Gladiator or carving up the street on my electric skateboard, or just enjoying a brisk walk, these glasses deliver incredibly smooth, clear video. The built-in electronic image stabilization makes sure your footage is rock solid, capturing every detail without jitters. It's like having a Steadicam built right into your face. Maybe on your face, not in your face. For those long days out, battery life is key. The BleeqUp Ranger doesn't disappoint. In the Power Plus mode, you can get up to 5 hours of video recording. That's enough to capture an entire day's worth of Jeep cruising, multiple electric skateboard sessions, or a significant portion of off-road adventures without worry about running out of juice. Now, sharing your adventures, the BleeqUp Ranger makes it easy. While advanced AI highlight editing is currently optimized for cycling footage, the glasses capture amazing content for your activity. You can easily import your footage to an app, quickly select your favorite moments, and then create some awesome highlight reels for social media. The brand is actively working on expanding that AI feature for all types of footage, so keep an eye out for that. Beyond those core features, the glasses are packed with other smart details. They're ultra lightweight, incredibly comfortable, even for hours of wear, and built tough enough with UV 400 professional protective lenses that are impact resistant and waterproof. Plus, the lenses are detachable and the nose pads are adjustable for a perfect fit. One of my favorite things, the portrait and landscape video switching. My Meta glasses are locked into vertical video, which is fine for some social media kind of content, but for my outdoor adventures, I want to capture the big, wide view. The BleeqUp Ranger lets you shoot in horizontal video, perfect for cinematic view of the trail, a panoramic vista, or capturing a full sweep of a skate session. And for audio quality, you've got 4 speakers for directional hearing, even at speed, and 5 microphone array with wind noise resistance for crystal clear stereo recording. Oh, and this is super cool for group adventures. The BleeqUp Ranger also functions as a walkie-talkie with unlimited intercom connections. This is perfect for staying connected with your buddies and other Jeeps on different skateboards or with your spotter on the trails, all completely hands-free. If you're looking to truly elevate your outdoor content, capture all your adventures like never before, get extra layer of driving safety, and keep your hands free for what matters most, you seriously need to check out the BleeqUp Ranger AI Sports Camera Glasses. I'll put a link in the video description so that we can go grab yours and start capturing the world your way.